It's going up in my room so I can look at it all the time. The perfect pout. Just look at the label. If anyone knows how to get a security tag off clothes, found it. Just dropped it on the floor. Just did an Amelia Rose. Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today we're going to get into what I got for my birthday. I got loads of lovely gifts from my friends, family, and there is more to come because the family things that got put back because of illness have been put back again because of illness. So I still have birthday and Christmas prezzies coming my way. Hopefully we'll be able to get to see everyone really soon. Talking about illness, thank you very much everyone for your get well messages, for I have been ill as well. I had some weird kind of tummy thing and it was unpleasant, but it only lasted a few days and I am back. It did put me back with my scheduled filming and YouTube output. So here we are, kind of early to middle of January, and I'm talking about what I got for my birthday in December. My birthday is in December, it's in the middle of Vlogmas, which makes it a bit tricky to do a standalone what I got for my birthday video when I'm putting out a Vlogmas video every other day. So here we are. And I would just like to say that I'm incredibly grateful for any gifts that I receive. No gifts are necessary. I am in the fortunate position to buy stuff that I want to get for myself. So gifts are not necessary for me to be able to have the gorgeous things I love, but they are most gratefully received. And we are going to kick off with a surprise gift I was not expecting. A box from Harrods showed up, and within that box was this envelope that says Harrods on it, and within this envelope there was this little note card, this little gift note card. There was this other card with it. The note card says, "Happy birthday, hope you find a lovely little something to treat yourself. XOXO April." And that is my good friend April from April's House of Flair on Instagram. So what did April send me? Well, she sent me a Harrods gift card. Now you know Harrods is my favourite department store, and it is the only place that I've been able to find a certain product. So I used my gift card on this Tom Ford. This is the Soleil. This is the lip blush. Look how shiny that case is. So this is the lip balm that has flecks of gold in it, and it goes on clear and then it changes colour to match whatever your natural colour is and just accentuate it a little bit. I already have one of these. I have been going through it, something chronic. So I took the opportunity with this lovely gift card from April to get myself a new one of these. So April, you have gifted me the perfect pout. I'm not wearing it at the moment, but we'll come on to what I'm wearing in a little bit. So thank you very much, April. Really appreciate the thought. And yes, I would tell anyone, get your hands on this. It's pricey, but I think it's worth it. I received another surprise box of goodies from, this time from Lisa, Luxury and Life in the Middle. She sent me some goodies all the way from New York, and I am so chuffed with these. I'm so excited about these. She sent this framed, in this New York frame, she sent this framed photo of the Handbag Tribe, who was all in New York in August last year, 2024. Seems like a lifetime ago now. So this is all of us. Now, interestingly, Claire wasn't originally in this picture because we were all meeting up on the day that Claire was leaving, but because the roads were closed for a high-profile funeral, her driver, taking her and her husband back to the airport, panicked a bit and said, "I'm going to come and get you like 2 or 3 hours early." So they weren't there. So Claire has been photoshopped into this picture brilliantly. So we have the full set. I think this is the only picture of all of us together. So absolutely fantastic. We've got Claire, Debs, Lisa, Meredith, Victoria, Amelia, and me on the end. This is such a wonderful gift. It's going up in my room so I can look at it all the time. And there is this little stand to go with the frame. And this is a super bougie little gift to receive. Just look at the label. Look at the packaging. This is I think it's a little box of chocolates. I've read a bit on the back. I think it's a little box of chocolates from Louis Vuitton with the Christmas ribbon and the Christmas label. Absolutely love this label. I'm going to see if I can find a way of almost preserving it so I can use this as a bag charm, because it is absolutely gorgeous. It's got the giraffe on it. Haven't opened it yet because I didn't want to disturb the ribbon, but we're going to do it now. I'm not going to eat any because we're about to go out for a Sunday roast and I don't want to ruin my Sunday roast. How bougie is it to have chocolates? Oh my gosh, look at them! They've got the fleur-de-lis, you've got the LV. It's not fleur-de-lis, it's just the fleur. Absolutely gorgeous. And it even says Louis Vuitton in the bottom of the tray there. Now, Lisa did say that when she was getting these, she forgot to get some for herself. So we appreciate the sacrifice, Lisa. Lisa also sent me a little treat from her recent trip to Japan. It is in the fridge downstairs. It's like a little matcha or mocha, I'm not entirely sure. It's a little sweet treat and you can eat it at room temperature, but the line did a little Google Translate of the label on the back and that said, it is better if you serve it chilled. So I've got that to look forward to as well. Absolutely amazing gifts. Had no idea any of these were coming and feeling incredibly grateful to have met and made friends with these wonderful women through the power of talking about handbags on the YouTubes. If you are new to my channel, then hiya, I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love. Go on, give them a like and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Different lipstick. The kittens got me some lovely cashmere gloves. These are fingerless gloves, my favourite kind of gloves, and they are from the Cozy Bear company. These are upcycled cashmere gloves, so I must take jumpers and other things and make bits and pieces from them. So this is what they look like on. I do prefer to have a fingerless glove so I can still do things with my phone, and I just don't like having my fingers entirely covered. This colour was supposed to match my cashmere scarf and beanie, but this is much more of a raspberry colour and those are much more of a bubblegum colour, but these will go brilliantly with my little fuchsia Fendi mini baguettes. This hot fuchsia colour is kind of a go-to, although I do have a lot of bubblegum pink in my collection now. My besties got me a couple of things from Charlotte Tilbury. This hypnotising pop shot. Just look at that packaging. Look at the little gemstones set into the top of the palette. This is in the colour Diamond Eyes and it is this gold, really, really glittery gold. Now I love a Charlotte Tilbury palette. My favourite out of all of the quads is always the glittery one. Always use your finger. Use your finger because otherwise if you try and use a brush you're just going to get glitter everywhere. Use your finger, rub it on and then just glide it over and you've got instant sparkly eyes. They also gave me this Pillow Talk Big Lip Plumpgasm. Just look at this. This is like the Dior Lip Plumping Maximizer lip gloss, and this is what I am wearing today. So this is why I'm not wearing the Tom Ford. It is on the soft brush applicator and it is a lip gloss. It does tingle like the Dior Lip Maximizer and I really like this colour. Normally I go for more pinky tones, but this is a really, really nice neutral, natural colour tone that will, I can go really big with my eyes. My besties also got me a couple of bits from this brand called Abbott Lion. And they came in this little box here with a little slide. And there's nothing in there at the moment because I'm wearing them. It is this little chain bracelet with a G on it. It's a little bit like the sort of the Pearl Crush from Chanel where you've got this little bead here and you can lengthen it and shorten it from there. It was quite dangly there. And there's this little charm on it as well. Trying to get it to focus. So this little charm is a December birthstone. I think it's kind of topaz. I have been told before that my birthstone is turquoise, but I think there are a couple of variations for each month. So this is really, really cute. It looks great on my stack with my tennis bracelet and my Tiffany bead bracelet. And I'm thinking this could be long enough for me to wear as an anklet as well, so I'm going to give that a try. My sister-in-law got me what's in this Elizabeth Scarlet pouch, and I did see these in store in Fenwick when I was doing Vlogmas, and I absolutely loved them, and it's upside down. It's this little velvet pouch with flamingo on it. The zip hardware is rose gold, and I love flamingos for oh so many reasons, not least because they're pink, but for so many other reasons as well. This is a really, really great little pouch. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but I am definitely going to use it. I just had to have it. So thank you to my sister-in-law for sending me this. I'm so far behind on the next one because the next one is my Discworld 2025 calendar. This was from The Lion, and it's got a range of my favourite Discworld characters on there. I've mentioned before that I'm a big Discworld fan, so I'm behind in setting this up for the year. I've got my Louis Vuitton Agenda GM set up for 2025, but I haven't transferred anything to this yet. I need to get into this, otherwise it's going to be February before I actually set up the calendar. I've been loving doing my jigsaw puzzles, and I've got a couple of Discworld jigsaws. I've got the Lancre Witch Trials, and this is the same picture actually that's on the front of the calendar. The Lion is hogging the puzzle mat at the moment with his Death Star jigsaw puzzle, so I've ordered a new one for myself, and that's going to come next week so I can get started on those. This is another gift from The Lion. This was actually in my Christmas stocking, but I completely forgot to share it with you on my what I got for Christmas because I had it put to one side for my what I wore over Christmas video, and so I forgot about it. But now I've rescued it from there, and I'm going to show it to you now. So it's in this little tray box. It's Oliver Bonus. No little dust bag or anything, but you might be able to see. It is a pair of star earrings. They go in your ear this way round, so this kind of, it's like a hoop, a star-shaped hoop. And I did have a bit of a panic because I wore these on Christmas Day, and I forgot to take them out when I went to bed, and one of them had fallen out. I'd lost the backing, the butterfly backing, found it, just dropped it on the floor. Just did an Amelia Rose and dropped it on the floor, but I found the butterfly a day later, so all's well, and I will remember to take these ones out before I go to bed now. From my family in Bristol, they sent me a little gift box of goodies, and that includes this bar of chocolate with cats all over it. So Silky Milk Chocolate. This is from Art House Unlimited, and I just love the illustrations on it. It's not just cats, it's colourful cats. They also sent me something from Elizabeth Scarlet. Absolutely loved this when I first saw it. I was like, oh my god. It is this large velvet pouch in this dark green with these beautiful hot pink Bengal tigers all over it. Absolutely stunning. So it's fern green velvet. This is the everyday pouch. So the smaller one is the everyday coin pouch, I think. These are absolutely gorgeous. Again, we've got the rose gold hardware on it. Inside it is just one big open space. You've got the Elizabeth Scarlet London tab in there. I am going to see if I've got some sort of bag organiser that I can put in here to help it sort of stand up a little bit, because I want to use this as a clutch. I want to use this as a bag, as a clutch bag for various things. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, and that colour combination of the green and the pink is mwah, absolute chef's kiss. And the final gift from my Bristol-based family is something you have seen before. Yes, you have. It is this velvet, deeply, heavily embroidered cropped jacket, cropped jacket from M&S. You saw this, you saw me try this on in the vlog, the M&S shopping vlog I did with the Lion way back in October or November, I forget which, where I tried on the bomber jacket as well, which the Lion got me for Christmas. And this was another thing that I absolutely loved in there. The Lion does not like this particularly. I am going to find ways to style this where he's going to go, oh, I see, that's what you had in mind. I love it. The only problem with this is not that it doesn't fit or anything, because it's the right size for it. It's a size 18, it fits. But the only problem is I went to wear this one day over Christmas and found that the security tag is still in it. Security tag. So if anyone knows how to get a security tag off clothes that have been legitimately purchased, because I don't have the receipt, I can't take it in and ask them to do it, do let me know. My sister gave me the tip of using 2 forks to try and ease the tag away, because it goes through. I don't want to explode it and put dye all over everything, and there are a few videos on YouTube about how to do the same sort of thing with varying degrees of success. I love this. I'm looking forward to getting the tag off it so I can wear it. I have got very specific ways I want to style this, and I'm excited to share those with you as well. So those are the things I got for my birthday in December 2024. There is one final thing to come. It is the big gift from the Lion, the one we got at Louis Vuitton in Paris with the marvellous Dale of Dale's Addiction. And that deserves a video all of its own, so that'll be what comes up next. Fingers crossed. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for my get ready with me, what I wore over Christmas for various different events, posh events, and for just family get-togethers. I've got my 4,000 subscriber gift to self, celebratory gift to self to share with you as well. I'm also going to go through every single luxury purchase I made over 2024, and he doesn't know it yet, but I'm going to get the Lion to review his best and worst of all of those luxury purchases from 2024. So if any of those sound fun to you, get down, subscribe, ring my bell, so you get notified when those videos are uploaded. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, show it the thumbs up love. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!